Okay, so how do you reopen a recently closed Safari tabs on the iPhone? Well, if you open up Safari, you can see that there are some things or options available to you, but the best way to reopen the recently closed is by clicking on the All Tabs button. So click on here, and now you can see the plus button to start a new tab. But instead of just clicking on it, what you gotta do is to hold down or long press on it like this, and essentially all of the recently closed Safari tabs are going to pop up so you can jump back in. I've been like, just let me just show it to you that it works. So for example, we have the Apple Music Replay 2024. I'm going to close this and just hold down on this plus button, and we have it right here at the bottom. So at the bottom, we have the latest entries, and it just goes up like this. So essentially, the history is there. There's like a rich, you know, data in the back of the Safari app. So make sure you tap into that to get to the, of course, the desired tab that you want to get back to. Obviously, you can also just click on any tab and then tap on the book right here and switch to the history view, which might as well be helpful in case you want to come back to a previously visited website. Obviously, using this method is going to be very useful as well. So these are the options available to you. Hope you found this video useful. Let me know down below in case it worked for you. So leave a comment below, and definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss videos like these in the future. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.